Yeah, good day. Just a quick message to everyone. When we talk about life, uh, especially when you discuss, mention some things the way it's supposed to be. A lot of people think maybe because you don't have money or because you are not in that position, that's why you are talking in that manner. Life is all about love one another. We all hear what is happening concerning our former goalkeeper, Peter Rufai, who passed away. He died uh, this week, and also the Liverpool player uh, Andre Jota. A lot of things happening. Actually, in on the 4th of July, this guy are just few out of many people that dies. Because they are public figure. That's why we were able to, get what is happening. So these are the things that happen on a daily basis. So my purpose here is that for you guys to know that there's nothing to hold about this life. The life is for few, for short time. So, and we should take it like that. Value ourselves, know the importance of each other, and then we should not take the life so serious to the extent that you don't care what happened to others. So, talking about life is only God know what will happen in the next few seconds. So, and that is why every one of us need to take a life so simple, make a life so easy for everybody. This goes to particularly our leaders in the country called Nigeria. Let's do things right. At least every one of us will know the bad thing. When somebody do bad thing to us, we all complain. So therefore, feel the same way that if you do something bad to someone, the kind of feeling you will have, think that way, that that particular person will also feel the same thing. So also goes to individual, because politician and the public environment, their name are in the public hearing. So that's why we see a lot of things what they do. A lot of people are even worse more than politicians we talk about, and that is why I always blame people who complain every time. Who blame president every time. No, something happened in your local government. Before you complain about president, governor, you have to talk about your councillor, talk about your chairman, local government chairman. Then, if they can give a response that shows that okay, maybe the governor, the president is not doing their, performing their duty by giving them the allocation, then you can now talk. Okay, that's now their, it's not their fault. But a lot of things are happening. Something is happening within the local government. A lot of people are blaming the president for that. So we need to know that everybody have their own part to take. As a citizen, you also have your contribution. So I just want to use this opportunity because of two individual, fantastic individual that died on the 4th of April, and also across the world, a lot of people died that same day. So may their souls rest in peace, and also may God forgive all our people who have died for a very long time as well. So may God forgive them and then keep us alive, so that for us to witness many things in order to do the good things in life. So please, let's take a life simple, do the best you can, try to love your neighbor as yourself, try to do something you want someone to do to you, so that if somebody is feeling something, you will know that okay, after all, I can't accept it. So therefore, anything you can't accept, I beg you, please don't do it to other people. So because what goes around comes around. So that is life for you. Thank you. Goodbye.